Hi, this is Cracker. He's an Australian King Parrot. He's just about a year old and he's been with us for 4 months. Now we're going to show you what tricks we have learned recently. Come on, Cracky. This is the easiest one. Come on. This is called the pull-up game. So we have a string. Come on, pull it up. Pull it up. We have a little seed, of course, as a treat. Come on, pull it up. Come on, work on it. Yeah, there you go. Good job. That was fairly easy to teach him, of course. Now we have a little bit harder one. This is called climbing game. So come on. Come on, we have this string that he has to climb up. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Good job. It's not easy to climb up this. Yeah, good kid. Very good. Yeah, and he also climbs down. Nice. So now we have a big rod. This is like a bridge. He can use it for hanging. Okay, come on, Cracky. Hang, hang, hang. Come on, hang down. Come on. Over here. Come on, hang, hang, hang. You have to hang, remember? Come on. Hang. Hang. Can you hang? Yeah, very fine. And he can crawl all the way along. Yeah, nice. And there goes the reward. Very fine. Okay, so that was the third trick. Thanks, so far very good. Now we have this ball. Oops. And he can throw it. It's something that he's just learning. Good job. Okay. Very fine. Okay, you can go now. Go.